Welcome back to La Vegan Kitchen. Today I am going to show you how to make tofu salads really easy and lazy, just for me and for everyone who's lazy. To make something that's too easy but it's really healthy, I would say, because it's salads. So the ingredient is really simple. So I'm going to use the salads, crispy salads and cucumbers, and also the tomato. I picked this from the garden this morning, so it's really nice, juicy and fresh tomato. So I have fried tofu ready to go in it. Also have some crash, salad crash like this to decorate, and also the Japanese salad dressing, Wafu, and white sesame seeds. So I made this morning. This is Japanese style dressing. What is it called? Wafu dressing. So it got some Japanese soy sauce, sesame oil, and sugar and mirin. And next video, or like in a separate video, I will make this for you. And I'm going to use a cucumber today and try to chop in a cube or like a small pieces. So start doing that now. This is you can also find it like Japanese restaurant and things like that. So now I thought I'll make it in La Vegan today, so you can make it as well. And it's really healthy. It's got some tofu in it as well, and get some protein, and got a really yummy dressings. It takes probably 5 minutes to make. So this tomato is from the garden this morning. I went to pick it up. It's really juicy tomato. I'm gonna put some crispy lettuce. Oops. And put some cucumber. Yeah, so tomato. Doing by hand, and I do this. So that when it comes to dressing, I'm gonna put some sesame seeds, white one, into the dressing. So then you'll pour the dressing on the top. It's really easy, just like this. Take less than 5 minutes. And this salad, if you order in the restaurant, some restaurant I went in, it costs about like £12, and I don't understand why it costs so much money when you can just make it really easy at home. And yeah, and it looks like this. I'm going to garnish it with salad crush as well. So get a little bit like that. It's really nice and simple dish. So this is the dish for this week. So it's tofu salads with Japanese salad dressing. So really easy to make. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you very much for watching.